Hey guys, how's it going? Onion Man here. So nowadays almost every new phone has wireless charging built into it. So why not get a wireless charger, right? But wait, you also want to get that headphone stand for either your office or your gaming room. Well, why not get both? If that's the case, then you came to the right place, because today I'm going to be unboxing a headphone stand that has a wireless charger built into the base. As you can see here, it's right in this base here. And yeah, let's take a look. Here is the headphone stand with wireless charger built in. This is just the box. It's made by a company called Zeroflow? I don't know. It's probably some Chinese company. So wireless charger with headset stand, HC6, that's just like it's the code, whatever. Pretty straightforward packaging, I guess. There's some things on the back here. Just kind of tells you the different voltages and stuff and all that. This one actually can do just regular wireless charging at 5 volts. Or it could do fast wireless charging at 9 volts. But you need a QC 3.0 adapter, which I actually bought. I bought one of those as well, just because I wanted to have the fast charging. It's so much better. If you can, go for fast charging instead. It's a lot quicker and you don't have to sit there wasting time trying to charge it. So let's open this up and see what's inside. Put the box to the side here. Okay, so on the back side, we have the instruction manual. Pretty straightforward. I might go through that, we'll see, but probably not. You have the charging cable, just your standard micro USB. There's an Allen wrench with 2 screws. So there's going to be some construction for this thing. I guess to put the stand on. Here's a little piece for where your headphones sit on. It's actually a little bit of padding there, so it's not going to scratch it. The rest is actually metal, which is actually better quality than I was expecting. I always thought it was going to be plastic. That's good. There's some sort of adhesive ring. There we go, now you guys can see it. Adhesive ring. There's the pole that is for the stand. And then in this part here, put this packaging to the side, this is the base, which is a giant solid piece of metal. And I think this might have been returned. Okay, that kind of sucks. That kind of sucks. Looks like it's scratched a little bit on the surface. Hopefully it still works, but I'm sure it will. Just kind of sucks that it's scratched. So, let's see here. Okay, one screw goes in the bottom. Take the screw out of here. Yeah, so one screw goes through the bottom, through that hole there. And that's what goes into the pole. Which, I'm not sure, yeah, this one here. There's a kind of a recessed end on one side of the pole. That goes into the bottom. Kind of just hand screw it in to a certain point. And then take the Allen key that's included and tighten it the rest of the way. There we go. There's that part of it. I don't know what this little ring is for. I'll look that up after. And then this part just screws on the top for the headphone part. Just screws on. And then you just gotta get it in the right spot. that's all. What a good idea actually is to do is put the top piece on first so that you can line up your pole properly. There we go. I guess it comes with an extra screw. Let's just take a look in here quickly. So yeah, it looks like this ring is not used for anything. It might have just been in the garbage. I couldn't find anything in there, so put that to the side. And I will plug this thing in and then we'll take a look at how it works. Here's the wireless stand and charger. It has the USB to plug it in on the side. I'm not gonna lie, I wish it was at the back. It would just make it look a little more hidden for the wires. The design is very nice and sleek and stylish. It looks really good. Doesn't really stick out too much. Kind of blends in nicely. Let's just put a pair of headphones on here. I'll put my gaming headset on here. This is my wireless headset. That sits pretty nicely on there. And now it's just beside me instead of having to have it laying on a table or somewhere else on a couch or something. You can have it neatly right beside you and you're good to go. Now let's quickly take this off here. I'm going to put my phone on the charger. Let's see if this is going to work. Yep, and it started charging. And it actually says fast charging. So there we go. That is working as well, which is good. So there you have it, guys. The wireless charger built into a headphone stand. I will link this down below if you guys want to check it out. I also put the adapter I got, because it doesn't come with an adapter, so I'll put the adapter down below as well, the one I bought, in case you want to get that one as well. Then you can go fast charge right away, instead of using just regular charging. If you like this video, hit that like button. Also subscribe to the channel. And I will see you guys soon.